Three of the biggest mistakes that you want to avoid in final expense insurance sales and really insurance sales in general. We're going to be very intentional and in no particular order. Let's get after it. Number one, make sure you don't partner with an MLM type insurance agency. I'm talking about a place that wants you drinking the Kool-Aid deep, all right? That wants you to recruit your mother, your brother, give you a list of all your family members, and then go fleece them and sell them. Yeah, this is going to turn you sour real fast, friends. So you got to find this out. Don't make this mistake. Do they prioritize recruiting over making you a top insurance producer? Your take home pay is not going to be based on you recruiting your mother and your brother and then being uninvited from the Thanksgiving dinner table. This is about you really performing in this business. Realize it's a performance based business. If you don't perform, you don't get paid. So, at all costs, friends, sniff this out. Are they wanting me to recruit to move my commission grid up? Or can I just be a great insurance agent that brings value to others? Find out if they want you to recruit to actually move your commission grid up, because that's a big Debbie Downer when you find out that they prioritize recruiting over helping you really perform and reaching your full potential. So, number two is something that catches a lot of insurance agents really through a disguise because you don't know any better. And this is, are you vested day one? What does your vested contract look like? So many insurance agencies out there, friends, are non vested, meaning you don't own what you're building. So here you are building the dream that turns into your nightmare. You've got to know, am I vested? Day one. 100% vesting is an absolute must if you're trying to make money in the insurance industry. You worked way too hard to give it away. And so many captive insurance agencies will put a 10 or 15-year vesting schedule or clause, gotcha, in the paperwork, and you get popped. I made this mistake early on, friends. I didn't know what I didn't know. And this is something that can cost you a lot of money. All right. It's called a vesting schedule. Don't touch anything where you're not vested day one. 100% of the vesting needs to be yours. You need to own it. You own success, you own failure. I get that. 90% of insurance agents industry wide don't know any better, but you've got to make sure you're very intentional about, am I vested day one? Am I going to be having to recruit to really move my comp grids up? Get this out on the table early before you join an organization like that with any kind of insurance sales. Now, another mistake that a lot of insurance agents make is you don't prioritize time management. Sitting behind a chair isn't going to help you capitalize. You got to really just get after it with 100% of you. You can't give 110%. A lot of people say that you got to give 110%. I'm like, it's not possible. You got to give all of yourself to the business. If you're a part timer, you can be powerful, but you've got to put 100% of your effort into engaging with prospects, not sitting behind the desk looking at the phone. Be powerful, friends. But the three mistakes to avoid: don't join an MLM agency that prioritizes recruiting over really making you a top producer. Number two, make sure that you're 100% vested day one. Don't touch anything that has a couple year vesting schedule that's going to sour you quick. And then make sure that you've got powerful time management so that you can take your career to the next level, and make sure you've got a mentor who can truly make a way for you. Vet your trainer, vet your mentor, make sure they're $1 million roundtable, an MDRT top producer, so that they can give you what they've got. So many folks have never executed at high levels in the insurance industry. They're just there to recruit, 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 and that's really not a good feeling. So, if you need a good work family to call a home, we do recruit amazing agents as well as agencies like yourself to sell life insurance, Medicare insurance, annuities, final expense, oh my, face to face, but yet also in the telespace. So, free resources for your taking, no matter what work family that you align with currently. And enjoy these videos up above. Hope they're a blessing to you. Go make other people's lives better, friends, because it's going to be a powerful day, and you know you've got what it takes. We'll see you soon.